Hello guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. Tonight I'm smoking my Wednesday 320. Can't really see it there. Let's get some light on the subject if we can. This is my 320 Savinelli Oceano, and it is a rusticated, and in it I am smoking Stumbo's Virginia Flue Flake, which I don't think you can see there, but really good stuff, this Flue Flake. A little it's a interesting blend when I opened it up. The smell's very sweet. Almost smells like hobbit's weed. But when I take a piece of it out and smell it, I don't smell that at all. So I'm wondering if maybe the jar had hobbit's weed in it before or something. I don't know, but and maybe there's just a lingering scent of hobbit's weed in the jar, or cherry of some sort in the jar. But when I take the tobacco out and break it up, because it comes in like cakes, you know, crumble cake. When I broke it up on my leather pad and smelled it, there was none of that smell. It was more of a plum, figgy kind of a smell. So it's hard to get a good grasp of this, the smell of this tobacco. But the taste is just wonderful. It's got a very smooth smoke to it. No harshness, no bite whatsoever. None. No bite to this at all, which for a Virginia is very rare, with the exception of like Garth and Hogarth's Black Irish Twist, Brown Irish Twist never bite me at all in their Virginias. And I've been freight training this to see if it would bite me. I mean, it hasn't bit at all. It is a just mellow smoke with deep earthiness to it, and you can taste There's a smokiness to it, like a almost a dark fired kind of a taste. And it's a very dark tobacco, really super dark tobacco. This is wonderful. It's very moist out of the jar. If this went on the market, I would buy this. This is reminiscent to me of like old dark fired, but without the tang. It doesn't have that tang that old dark fired has. It's more mellow. Boy, these are really good. James, I like this stuff, man. I'd order this. I'd order this if it was for sale. Most definitely. I'd keep this in my cellar. Mm. 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 So Stumbo's Virginia Flue Flake is really, really good. It's really good. Mm. 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 This is very, very, very good. And it comes in very thick, about a 1/4 inch thick, like crumble cake flakes. Mm. Very good. Very, very, very good. So it says top grade Virginia leaf, hand-picked from the top of the stalk, then flue cured before being processed and cut into flakes. And it is delicious stuff, really good stuff. Just a wonderful, great retrohale. This is a fantastic blend. I'm going to enjoy sitting out here smoking this one tonight. Also, this is day 10 of the fill up on this lighter using the organic cotton. I put organic cotton in this Zippo and then I filled it up, and I'm on day 10 of that fill up, and that organic cotton is amazing stuff. You can get it on Amazon. It's just called organic cotton. You can buy it in like vaping shops. It's called organic bacon. Cotton bacon. Some places call it cotton bacon or organic cotton. You just pull out the old wadding, you roll this cotton up, put it back in there, and it just soaks up the fluid in your Zippos, and you can put so much more fluid into the Zippo, and you don't have to fill it as much as often. So I'm on day 10 of filling, one fill up of this Zippo, and it's been 10 days. Normally I get 5 to 6 days out of one fill up on my Zippo with daily use, and it's just incredible. So, and it's still going strong, so I'm gonna see how many days I get out of it. And I gotta thank Zippo Fanatic for that hint on that one, because he told me about that well over a year ago, I think it was. So check out his Zippo Fanatic 77. Check out his channel. He's got all kinds of tips on Zippos and how to fix them and how to repair stuff, how to fix loose hinges. Anything you need to know about a Zippo, he will have the info on his channel. Good guy too, really good guy. I'll try to put the link down below to his channel. May not be there immediately, but it will be there once I watch this video again. It'll trigger me to remember to put it on there. So James, this is an incredible tobacco. Thank you. Fantastic stuff. Well, I'm just going to sit back, relax, enjoy the night, and finish this bowl up. I will catch y'all later. Have a good one, and God bless.